8-7.
Well, if you want to know more about the Shakey's V-League, just log on to their website, www.v-league.ph, partner.
Alright, and of course, like us on Facebook, Shakey's V-League. And of course, we turn you over now to Rina Villamor for another courtside report.
Yes, if you've noticed, that was a very slow and lazy start for the Lady Pirates in that first set. At sabi nga ni Coach Emil sa kanila, nakakawalang gana naman daw silang panoorin kanina. Now, they need to change that. They have to run more in this second set. Run more for the ball and run more around the court. And they also need to play as a team. Hindi pwedeng magkanya-kanya sila, considering mas marami sa kanilang veterano compared nga dito sa kanilang Lady Altas na kalaban nila. Now, they have to play it to their advantage also dahil maliit nga naman ang sentro ng Lady Altas. And more importantly, play smarter and match up with the intensity and aggressiveness of their opponent team. Back to you guys.
Okay, so now Peña in the open hit gives it to Sartin. He'll play ball Peña once again, but blocked. Peña another try, and this time using the blockers gets the point. Yan ang patience.
Wow. Yeah.
Yan naman ang gusto mo kay Jamie Peña. Ano mo, kahit noon pa, yan ang napapansin ko sa kanya. Never giving up.
Exactly.
Siguro hindi nakikita characteristic ni Coach Emil Lonto kay Jamie Peña. Kahit hindi siya yung powerful hitter. Pero as that yung sipag. So this one, sometimes you want to see that. You want a player inside. Ganyan na, you never giving up. Of course, you would want yung anim sana, no?
Hanggat maaari. Sana ganun lahat. Napakaswerte ng coach kung magkakataon na ganun lahat ng players.
Casanova getting an ace.
That's right, Lyceum now threatening to pull away, 10-7.
They had this in the first set until Perpetual was able to regroup and take the lead as Dubino with the push of the running approach.
And now we see again Diaz coming in
for Manzano.
Yes, Manzano going out, and it is Diaz going up for the serve. It's just a 2-point lead for Lyceum, 8-10. Good serve from Diaz. Tabafunda straight to the waiting arms of Sartin.
You know, it's really hard for Argarin to give it to Bino on the middle hit. Why? Ging Balse is right in front of her. So siguro if she didn't make it the first time, she should have given it to Sartin instead on the second try.
Tapon mo sa labas.
Yes. Nag-aabang lang si Ging dun sa gitna eh.
Good reception. Argarin keeping it over. Dalia Cruz sends it to the outside.
Too much angle. Track error this time from Dalia Cruz. As Tubino serves for Perpetual.
Tabafunda will set it to Jamie Peña. Nice.
Sabi ko kanina, not that powerful. Ayan, pinakitaan ako. Ayan, Mozzie. Even not powerful enough for you. As we take a look at this open hit by Jamie Peña.
Only one blocker in front of Peña. That's why she had, all the room and the space in the world to get that, hit through.
Oh, great save.
Tabafunda to Dalia Cruz, dug up by Wally.
Sartin on the open hit. And Dalia Cruz really still not in her element. Still looking for that game, for her game in this game.
Wala eh. There's something missing.
May mga araw na ganyan eh. But a veteran like Dalia will always try to find it.
Correct.
To get her groove back, to get her game going.
De Los Santos tipping it.
Well read by Morales.
Off of the block, good defense by Dionela.
Bolly again. Jack Bolly making it look so easy.
That's right. Finally, she gets a clean hit.
Look at her. Simple volleyball.
Again, single block coverage of on Jeng Bully.
That's a no-no.
Yeah. Just like giving up the point that easily right away.
Oh, and great block by the Los Santos and Argarin.
Wow. That
Look
was
at
a
this.
wall right there from De Los
Right.
Santos. Perfectly timed block.
Totally denying Cases on that open hit. Sartin on the line. Oh, that's going to be a long one. No spin. She was under the ball. She was far away from the net.
Yeah.
Talagang no element for a good hit.
That's right. Talagang lalabas at lalabas yung bola. And now we're tied at 13. Just like that.
Oh, Dalia Cruz, this time making sure she takes that point. Tabafunda on the line.
Nice reception by Bionela.
Saved by Lyceum.
Set up Sartin to Jingwali. The block is there.
Oh, naman si Zeng nahihiya pa eh. You can see eh. Nahihiya pa siya. She's still not that, hindi ma-comfortable eh. It's the wrong word
Oo.
eh. Hindi pa siguro ganun kakilala kasi.
Hindi pa siya ganun kalus.
Kasi imagine even yesterday she was able to practice with the team.
Yeah.
So, kumbaga, ito yung baka
First
first meeting pa lang nila, getting to know you stage.
Parang, yun nga, hindi pa siya ganun kalus.
And knowing Zeng, di ba, napakahiyain ito eh.
Nangangapa-ngapa pa.
And for several years has been with Coach Roger and her teammates.
Ooh, Dalia Cruz now against 3 blockers.
Once again, getting the point from the middle.
That's right, this time it's Lyceum. Up by 2, 16 to 14.